ASUS has now officially launched the ROG Xbox Ally series, which introduces two distinct models, the ROG Xbox Ally and the ROG Xbox Ally X. These handheld consoles were developed with Microsoft and Xbox. They run Windows but are optimized for a full-screen Xbox experience, acting more like a portable Xbox than a Windows PC. The optimizations: the software's taskbars reduce background activity and prioritize games more. For instance, a Microsoft executive said, "By just disabling the wallpaper and Windows taskbar, Microsoft can free up to 2 GB of RAM." Unlike the original ROG Ally, this version offers more optimization. Both models come with a 7-inch IPS LCD display that has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and Full HD resolution. They are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The base ROG Xbox Ally is equipped with an AMD Ryzen Z2A processor, based on the innovative technology of DRNA, but 60 watt-hours and 512 GB of storage. It also includes 2 USB-C ports, support USB 3.2 Gen 2, and DisplayPort 2.1. Meanwhile, the ROG Xbox Ally X raises specs with a Ryzen Z2 chip, Extreme, 24 GB of RAM, 1 TB of internal storage, and a single USB-C port. Compatibility: USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4. The top version has a bigger battery from 80 watt-hours. Both of them come with a micro SD card slot that allows you to expand the storage, which is solid-state storage M.2 to 2280, which is also replaceable. They also integrate Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth version 5.4 and 65 watts charging capability. Additionally, they feature a dedicated Xbox button which activates the game bar overlay, along with an integration with ASUS Armory Crate Control, along with the lock screen feature. Distinct one-task selector fine-tuned for control with controllers. In addition, they maintain access to Steam, the world's largest game library. So despite arriving in partnership with Xbox, it's not locked down to have access to other platforms. Let me know what you think. This proposal for the handheld market, now that the Nintendo Switch 2 is out, I believe this is an option. Fascinating for those seeking games with higher detail levels.